Hello and welcome to Swansway Honda Bolton. Today we've got this absolutely stunning HRV VTEC X for you. This has got a very low mileage. It comes in pearlescent paint, which is called Mofo Blue. It's got automatic rain sensing wipers, automatic headlights with a dusk sensor, as well as LED daytime running lights, headlights and high level brake lights. You've got your 17-inch alloy wheels with your badge detailing in the centre, electronically adjustable and heated folding door mirrors which tilt when reversing, and you've also got your indicators integrated there as well. You've got your rear privacy glass just here, as well as front and rear parking sensors with a rear view camera, as you can see just there. This vehicle does also come with a lane departure warning system. I'll just open up the boot for you now. As you can see, you do have a very generous boot space. This is perfect for storing any luggage if you was to go on a long weekend away. You've also got a 12-volt port there, perfect for adding a dash cam. And you've also got a very generous under boot storage space as well. And a load cover there for you too. Just getting into the back of the vehicle now. Here you can see this is a 5-seater vehicle. You've got plenty of room in the back, pockets behind both of your front seats, and you do also have a cup holder down here with a 12-volt port as well. You've got side storage and you've got a handle with a coat hanger option for you, as well as lighting in the back, perfect for at night time. Your middle seat does fold out to be an armrest, as you can see here. You've got storage in both your side doors, and this is also equipped with the classic magic seat optioning, which allows you to lift them up to create even more storage space for you in the back. My personal favourite feature of this vehicle is the beautiful panoramic sunroof, which is perfect for adding in extra light and air into the vehicle. I will just get into the driver's seat for you now. Here you can see you do have a leather steering wheel with your mounted audio controls. This is also multifunctioning, so you've got your functions on here and just at the bottom. This vehicle does also come with traffic sign recognition and an automatically dimming rear view mirror, as you can see here. You do also have your controls for your sunroof just above your rear view mirror, as well as lighting. So if I was to start the engine, which I'll do for you now, we can open up that sunroof. So I just go here. As you can see, the sunroof does open. You have also got your mesh detail in here, which is just to prevent the wind from blowing your hair into your face. And this is perfect for the summer months. I'll just close it for you now. And you do also have a blind there as well if you don't want the extra lighting. Which does close all the way for you. Here you can see you do have a touch screen. So you do have a satellite navigation on this, as you can see. If I go onto the home, you can connect your phone to this vehicle, as you can see here. You do also have your multiple audio functionings, your settings, as I showed you previously, your navigation. You've also got your information, parking, fuel and Honda App Centre, as well as your internet browser and your AHA and Greenacre Honda there as well. You've got your dual zone climate control just at the bottom here, along with your automatic gearbox just there. You've got a HDMI port, 2 USB ports and a 12-hour outlet port there just underneath. 2 cup holders in the centre, which do close up as well, as you've just seen. And your armrest does also lift up to have hidden storage space in there as well. You do also have storage space in your glove box, as I'll show you now. So there's your glove box, perfect for any storage space you might need. You've got lots of space in both the front and the back of this vehicle, making it perfect for families. It's a very stylish vehicle, incredibly comfortable, perfect for all of the family. I'll just turn off the ignition, but just before I do, here you can see you've got your multi-functioning display here, which I'll just show you. So you've got your different options on there. And you've also got your voice control just at the end here. You've also got your different driving options just at the side. And I'll just turn off the engine for you now. If you are interested in this absolutely stunning vehicle, please get in touch with us, send us an email or give us a phone call, and we'll be happy to assist you further. Thank you very much for watching.